tasty keto wins. This simple plan is your starting point. It is designed to help you eat a low-carb diet. You will find that the food is enjoyable and satisfying. You do not need any special or expensive kitchen gadgets. You just need a willingness to try something new. This guide focuses on good, whole ingredients. Close-ups of fresh ingredients. The cooking steps are very easy to follow. We want to show you that eating keto can be delicious. It does not have to be complicated or boring. This is about making a change that feels good and tastes even better. This plan is more than just a diet. It is a new way to think about your meals. Forget the idea that healthy food must be bland. We will introduce you to meals full of flavor and texture. Imagine rich sauces. Imagine savory meats. Imagine fresh vegetables. This is the world of keto. The goal here is to make the transition smooth for you. We will provide you with all the tools you need. This includes meal ideas, shopping lists, helpful tips. This guide is your friendly companion for the first 7 days. Think of it as a trial run to see how keto works for you. On day 1, start with a classic keto breakfast. Scramble 2 eggs in butter and serve with half a sliced avocado, lightly salted. For lunch, a grilled chicken salad on a bed of lettuce and cucumber with olive oil and a little crumbled cheese. Snack on a small handful of almonds. Crunchy, satisfying, full of healthy fats. Dinner, bake salmon with lemon and a pat of butter. Serve with steamed broccoli and more butter. Balanced and simple. Protein, healthy fats, and low-carb vegetables in every meal. On day 2, keep breakfast easy. Have full-fat Greek yogurt with a very small handful of raspberries or blueberries and a sprinkle of chia seeds. For lunch, mix tuna packed in oil with real mayo and chopped celery. Enjoy with a fork or in crisp lettuce wraps. Snack, a few slices of your favorite cheese. Dinner, a hearty beef stir-fry with zucchini and bell peppers in coconut oil, seasoned with soy sauce or tamari. Protein and veggies cooked in healthy fat. Quick, flavorful, filling. For day 3, start with a delicious omelet. Whisk 2 eggs and cook them in butter. Fill with spinach and mushrooms with a little cheese if you like. Lunch, crisp lettuce wraps with deli turkey, avocado, and a dollop of mayonnaise. Snack, 1 hard-boiled egg and fresh cucumber for crunch and hydration. Dinner, savory pork chops pan-seared in butter or olive oil with creamy cauliflower mash. Steam cauliflower very soft. Blend with butter and heavy cream. Season with salt and pepper until smooth. Prefer meat-free? Easy swaps keep you keto. Instead of chicken, beef, or pork, use tofu, paneer, or tempeh. Marinate with herbs and spices, then pan-fry or bake in olive oil or coconut oil. Try a tofu stir-fry instead of beef. Boost with nuts and seeds to increase protein and healthy fats while staying vegetarian and keto-friendly. These meals are suggestions. Learn the principles. Basic formula: a source of protein, a generous amount of healthy fat, and a side of low-carb vegetables. Understand the structure, then get creative. Try different vegetables and proteins. Keep carbohydrate intake very low to stay on track. Section 4. The Keto Kitchen. Shopping, swaps, and simple prep. Set yourself up for success with the right ingredients. Here is a simple shopping list. Proteins, eggs, chicken breasts, salmon, ground beef, pork chops. Vegetarians, firm tofu or paneer. Dairy and fats, butter, heavy cream, full-fat Greek yogurt, cheddar or mozzarella, extra virgin olive oil, coconut oil, and avocados. Produce, leafy greens like lettuce and spinach, plus broccoli, cauliflower, zucchini, bell peppers, and a small container of berries. Pantry, almonds, walnuts, canned tuna, salt, pepper, and your favorite spices. Smart swaps make a big difference. Swap rice for cauliflower rice. Buy pre-made or pulse florets in a food processor. Replace bread or taco shells with large, crisp lettuce leaves. Bake with almond flour or coconut flour instead of wheat flour. Swap sodas and juices for sparkling water, herbal tea, or black coffee. These changes help eliminate hidden carbs. Meal prep saves time. Cook batches of chicken or beef, roast broccoli and zucchini, and hard-boil several eggs. Store components so it is easy to assemble a healthy keto meal on busy days. Section 5. Thriving on keto, navigating side effects and staying motivated. Understand your macro targets. Most calories from fat, protein moderate, carbs very low. Roughly 70 to 75% from healthy fats, 20 to 25% protein, 5 to 10% carbs. You do not need to be exact at first. Focus on fatty proteins, lots of greens, avoid sugars and starches. Expect a short adjustment period, sometimes called the keto flu, with tiredness, headache, or irritability. Drink plenty of water and get enough salt and electrolytes. Adding a little extra salt can help. Symptoms usually pass within a few days to a week as your body adapts. Get enough rest and avoid pushing too hard with exercise in the first week. Listen to your body. If symptoms are severe or persistent, talk to a doctor. For most people, extra water and salt are enough to feel great. This plan gives a simple, tasty introduction to keto. You have easy meals, a shopping list, and tips to get started. The key to success is consistency and patience. Try this 3-day plan as your first step. Remember to drink lots of water and listen to your body. Embrace the delicious, satisfying foods this diet has to offer. Small, simple changes can lead to big, tasty wins. Now is the perfect time to begin your journey and discover the benefits for yourself. Get ready for your own tasty keto wins.